We're back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right, baby. We are on. We are live 9:50 right now at the open market on March 6, 2024. Right, only one position. I did already 10 position. I closed it on profit. Just gonna hold it right here. Stay for stop loss. My stop loss is 815, which is very low. Compare it comparing with other things because it's a 3% stop loss versus a 17% take profit, which is a good range and is doing pretty good right now. So far, so good. Holding in there. What depends about this thing? It depends on the SPX. Right now, SPX having a nice volume. I like SPX when it has a volume over 1 billion or $2 billion because seems like we are trending into a bull market right here because it's showing strength and everything to the bullseye right here. Let me see. Changing right here, Palantir right now going up. Uh, Taiwan Semiconductors going up, pretty good. AMD going up also because if Nvidia goes up, AMD also goes up. That's how it works, right? We're gonna see right here. I'm just keeping a tough eye on Tesla because Tesla is not doing it pretty good. It's going to the low side, about to hit my stop loss, and just gonna be patient right here because as soon as hit my stop loss, it will be done. I'm not gonna touch it for like around 1 week and then wait to see how it's gonna trade because right now is having a lot of struggle trying to go up again because of a lot of bear pressure right here. Trying to do a hard sell off. We're gonna wait until 10 a.m. Then we wait 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. Because remember that today is a big release data, which is going to change the some sentiment about the market, some sentiments about buyers and sellers and everything. So today, big data release and around 10 a.m. also, and also Power testify. So it's a very interesting day. We're gonna just keep on watching on this thing. Now, let's go back to this. Big changes right here. Palantir going up. AMD, Li Auto coming back. Try to coming back, but probably is gonna see the right here the gap which is formed, and then we're gonna still watching a come down into the downside. Right? I'm sorry. I'm testing. I'm testing right here. The chat is open. You got questions right here. I'm sorry. Here we go. Welcome everybody. I want to say welcome everybody, and then we're gonna jump back right now into Nvidia. Nvidia, the big player right now for me, because like I said, I'm expecting Nvidia to 900. I really apologize about this thing because having a little issues with my throat right here, but I'll be back. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. First stop 900 right here. If we go over 900, it's just a matter of time between 1 or 2 weeks that we're gonna hit 1,000. But like I said, this could be happening in maybe in 1 week, or maybe it could be happening in 1 month. What it depends of a lot of factors, and also the important part of the data being released today. What we're gonna watch right here also is Bitcoin. What happened with Bitcoin? Bitcoin trying to find a support area right here, getting ready to launch into the 72,000, hitting a nice hitting a nice 72,000 right here on Bitcoin, will shot to the big on 100,000. 100,000 is a very important and interesting level because then we're gonna see how everything is gonna change. Why? This is all-time highs of Bitcoin right here. As you can see, the last time Bitcoin was this price was around here, which was November 1st of 2021 right here, right? So, sell, accumulation, buy. Now, what we're expecting? Sell again or consolidation, jump to the upside again. We're going to keep an eye very closely about what is going to happen right here. If you want to trade this thing, you got to trade very small. Remember, Bitcoin is around $66,000. Every time you put it your money over there, you're going $66,000 into the Bitcoin market. Right here, I want to say welcome to Gabriel. Hello, Gabriel. Welcome. You got questions? Let me know. I'm gonna keep watching this thing right here, Bitcoin. I see gold going up very hard right here, and I'm ready to sell. I'm gonna sell it around this area right here. I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna wait 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then come back to see this thing. So I'm just gonna set it and forget it. Now we got also the euro versus dollar right here. I love it. Just gonna keep an eye on the 30-minute chart right here. There you go. Keep following my my strategy going to the upside. Maybe we're gonna see a little drop into this side, but the main idea and the final idea is that it will keep climbing and climbing. Right here we can see this is the trend, trying to follow the trend right here, coming up, coming up, coming up. Of course, it's going to have a sell, but the sell is not going to go below this level because also it's going to be a changing into the market right here. Try to stay, try to stay, try to stay, keeping up. Final take profit right here in our around 1.1150, which, like I said, is going to take probably 1 month, 2 months. We're going to see how that is going to develop right here. Let's watch volume on SPX right now. SPX going to 306 million, a little weak, a little low right now until data is released. Data is releasing in 3 minutes right here. So let's keep an eye. Sorry. Let's keep a close eye on data release right here. I'm gonna show you what is releasing today. There you go. Data release at 10 a.m. right here. We got Fed Chair Powell testifies right here in about 2 minutes. We got also the Jolts job opening right here. So we're gonna see live right now how the market is gonna behave. So keep it posted, keep in tune, and we're gonna see how this is gonna change the market, how this is gonna perform and everything, and we're gonna be watching live what is happening. What I watch SPX to have an idea how my stocks are performing. You might say, uh, what's what strat you trade? What strat? I'm sorry, Gabriel. I don't understand. What strat you trade? What is strat? I'm just a little confused about it. What strat you trade? What is a strat? I don't have it very clear. Okay, I was saying that. Okay, I'm trying to show you the data release in 1 minute right now. We're gonna see how the market is gonna behave right here. This is gonna be a very important lever to see how the volume is gonna change, how the price is gonna change. On 5106, it's showing up still good sign into the bullseye right now, pushing to the upside right now. Final level to me for the SPX, this level could be 5175, 5200, hopefully 5000, 5200 or 5175, depending how it's gonna move. Right now, 1 minute left into the data release. We're gonna be checking this thing, watching this thing, which is very important. We got a question says, "Do how do you analyze the graph? I mean, what method you use?" I just watch volume. I watch volume and I see also price. Kind of like have an idea what is happening right here with the oversold and the overbought levels. So that's why I kind of like getting a get out real quick as soon as possible because that's the style that I have it right here. So now let me see. Uh, Data release right now. We're gonna see right here what is happening. Let me watch Bitcoin also. Bitcoin is a good indicator also to see how we're performing. We're going up. We may be pushing down for a consolidation. What is gonna happen right now? SPX still in the level of 5106, so that means it's holding. We're gonna see how it's gonna push it to the upside, to the downside. Tesla is doing a comeback right here, almost touched my stop loss. You see right here, my stop loss was at 175. Right now, let me see. If touches down, it's gonna hit my stop loss. I'm gonna be done. I'm just gonna watch for the next week to see if I re-enter, if I can re-enter again into the market. But right now, just holding, 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 holding. Probably it's gonna push it to the downside. It's gonna hit my stop loss, and I'll be done with Tesla this week. But now, the big mover for me is Nvidia. Nvidia right here doing incredible. Just watching this one going up, going up, going up, going up. It's not stopping beast right here. So I'm just holding it right here. Right now, you got questions about any stocks or some of the Forex or some of the I got also the only crypto I got Bitcoin, and I kind of watch Coinbase just to have an idea how the market is performing. So that's for those who are just wondering about this thing. SPX holding 5102 right here on the 340 million volume. Big changes up to the upside on Taiwan Semiconductor, AMD, Li Auto, Nvidia. Nvidia is one of my favorites. Meta also. Meta is very important. I like Meta for the long run. Like I could invest in Meta and just wait 1 year. You're gonna receive between 20%, 50%, 70%, or 100% profits on the stock. Because remember that Meta is the company that manages Instagram, WhatsApp, uh, Facebook, and I believe Messenger, right? Messenger, yes. So every time somebody is using that, is using Meta. Meta is the company that is holding that. So just for you to have an idea of what is happening right here. Let me see. Let me take a look at this thing. Hopefully the connection is still good. I'm on. I'm watching this level right here. Palantir keep going up. No, try to hold it. See if it's gonna come back to close this gap right here, which is easily can be happening between 2 or 3 days. Right now, watching the SPX right here, having a hard time trying to hold it right here, 5102. I don't know if my Tesla is still in or is already out. I think it's coming back little by little. Yeah, Tesla. There you go. So Tesla right here having a hard moment right here. I don't know if it's gonna hold it like I said, or it's gonna drop. Then we'll be done with Tesla for this week, but just holding that. SPX 5101, trying to hold it after data release. We're just waiting for this thing. Let's take a look on data release what the numbers are. Okay, we can see 10 a.m. There you go. Fetcher post testifies right now. That thing's happening. Job openings right here. 8.86 million. The forecast was 8.80, and previous one 8.89. So is above what was expected. That's why we can see the market behaving like this, right? Right now, 50.96. You got to hold 50.82. I would say you got to hold 50.75 right here. If it goes below this area, we can probably see another leg into the downside. So this is gonna be a key level to see, to watch, and to enter or re-enter depending how it's gonna go. 175.40. My Tesla is having a tough moment right here. Palantir, everything moving good, everything moving according to the to what it was programmed. Well, let me just watch this thing. President campaign. Let's see what I got over here. There you go. Interest rate. Euro versus dollar. This is very interesting. Let me see. right here, having a sell on euro versus dollar. There you go. Yes. Sell is expected around this level probably, or around this level. If I see this level right here, then I'm gonna re-enter again into the upside. I probably am gonna buy it. Uh, this is for the forex euro versus dollar right here. Big movement to the bullseye now. Just expecting a downtrend just for consolidation. So I'm gonna keep watching these numbers right here into the 50.99. 50.75 is gonna be a trigger for me, and just keeping an eye watching for this gap to be filled below 50.75. We'll see. This can happen in 1 2 days. I'm gonna keep watching this thing, and let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Right here, we can draw this thing. So gotta keep an eye and watch out for this thing. Okay, below this, it's gonna be easy to reach this level. So we're just gonna stay tuned and watching how the market is gonna perform today, because today, very important day. 10:30, we got the BOC press conference for the Canadian dollar. Also, gotta keep an eye on that. And what else? No, nothing else. We got nothing else right here. So that's all I got right now. It's 10:07. Just keeping an eye real quick, watching the markets right here performing. And if I see something, if I got something, I'm gonna come back, get back to you, and try to explain you what's the reason behind all these movements around here. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart right here to have a better view about this thing. And that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for being with us right here. Don't forget, you can follow me on my social media right here. Where is my social media? I'll show you right now. You can check this thing on my X account. Also got my YouTube account right here. You can check me right here, my X account. You can check also my YouTube account right here. And keep in tune and keep in contact. All right, you can see some of the charts or levels I did right here. You can have an idea how it's performing, why it's performing. Something doing good, something not too much, something took more time than expected. You can have a better idea how to understand the market. If you got questions, let me know. This is New York Runs Global. My name is Juan Carlos, and I see you back into the next one. We out, and have a profitable day. Stay profitable. See you soon. Bye bye.